How to download Poppy Playtime Chapter 1 on Android. Hi, welcome to GlideFX. Now, the first step you have to take is to go to your Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. The next thing you have to do is click on the search bar here. So right here, you just type in Poppy Playtime. Poppy Playtime. So in order to download this particular app, you're going to pay a few amounts of bucks. So when you pay this amount, you'll be able to download it and install it to your device, and also have access to all the games in the app. So guys, that is it on how to download Poppy Playtime Chapter 1. If this video was helpful, please do also subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.